Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. This is my PR box. I am no longer getting a paid for box just because we're trying to save money yeah, that's it really. So I'm very thankful to be able to receive this. I'm sure you guys have already watched millions of unboxings. My PR box goes to my mum's house just because I have issues with Hermes and they won't deliver to me. Oh my goodness, I've not seen any spoilers of this. I've been so good. I've seen like people post pictures of like the box, but I didn't realise it was going to be this pretty. It's all textured. Look at that. Oh my god, it says the magical masquerade, the truth. That might be my favourite box I think we've ever had. If you are new, Glossybox is usually, where is one? Oh, it's over there, I can't bother to get it. It's at the bottom of a big pile. It's normally a pale pink with black lettering, but then they do special editions, and obviously this is a special edition one, so this looks beautiful. Glossybox, as I said, it's sent to me in PR. It's $13.25 a month. You can get it cheaper if you subscribe like on a 3, 6, 12 month subscription. I have a discount code which I'll put here or I'll link down below for you guys if you would like to use that. All opinions are honest and my own because nobody likes a bullshitter. I really need it on a t-shirt. That's going to be my next bit of merch, I think. Nobody likes a bullshitter. If you are interested in any merch, I have some in my Etsy shop. I shall link that also for you. Anyway, let's jump in. So, Glossybox, let's see what you've got for us. Oh my god, there's a mask. So we've got the mask. I love it. That is going on my wall up here somewhere. I'm not sure where, but that's going up there. Let's have a look. So we've got the little magazine. The sneak peek for next month, because I never remember to do these, is Elf. Oh, I fucking love Elf. Elf is one of my like all-time favourite brands. It was in America to start with and it's kind of like Revolution. It's cruelty free, it's really affordable and the products are just fucking banging. This is a gorgeous Elf bite-sized eyeshadow palette in Berry Bad inside next month box. 4 matte shades and a shimmer pink and red shades. You're gonna make a statement. So yeah, it looks like this, really pretty. Let's have a look. So it says, this month we're stepping into the wonderful world of the Masquerade Ball, where truths are whispered and where secrets are whispered and daring truths are told. With our special dual design magical Masquerade box, because there's 2 designs of the box. I'll try and get a picture of the other box in here for you. With our special dual design box, you can either unleash your alter ego with a mysterious, alluring secret edition, or be your authentic self with our captivating truth edit. So we've got the truth one, allowing you to embrace captivating looks. The bold beauty products in this October Glossybox will ensure you exude confidence and become the belle of the ball. So let's look. Bloodline does. So we've got a Judith Lieber card, which makes me think there might be a fragrance in here. There's a really pretty fragrance card. But the first thing I've got is ESP or ESPA, I never know how to bloody say it. Eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing hand spray. Oh, I've got a sneeze brewing that won't come out. She's not coming out yet. This is deluxe size. Oh, excuse me. There she was. Infused with luxurious blend of pure essential oils, including eucalyptus and tea tree, this cleansing hand spray is a handbag delight. Not only will it leave your hands clean and fresh, but also smells divine. Quick drying, this product is perfectly suited to glossies on the go. Deluxe Mini is worth, Deluxe Mini 35ml, which is this, is worth £8. Full size is worth £8. How does that work? They've got that wrong. But let's have a look. So, oh my god, that smells amazing. That smells incredible. And I assume it's just like a hand sanitizer. Spray onto dry hands and rub all over fingers and palms. Yeah, that smells amazing. Really happy. I'm going to chuck that in my car and that will be a nice one to spritz the kids with when they come home from school. Oh, and sneeze. Okay, next we've got Anatomical's Boob Tube Grab Your Melons Body Lotion. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I think. Or Cancer Awareness Month? I'm not entirely sure. I did a talk about it in one of my other videos. Let's have a look. Yeah, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That was right. I did a very, very long rant in another video about how it's so important to check your boobs. I had a lump. I'll very, very quickly summarise. I had a lump. Doctor was like, we'll go get it checked out. Went to the hospital. They did a biopsy. And it was all fine. That was like 10 years ago. So if you want to have the full story, I'll link it here. But yeah, check your boobs right now. The special edition watermelon body lotion created exclusively for glossies, as well as hydrating and moisturising your skin. This one-off lotion has a gorgeous watermelon fragrance that you'll adore. This is deluxe mini worth £1. Full size is £4. Yeah, so grab your melons. Anatomicals donates 40p from the sale of each tube of to Copperfield, which is amazing. I'll link Copperfield down below for you guys as well. Don't ever be embarrassed. Just check yourself, and if you find a lump, go get it checked. The earlier you check, the better it's going to be. So, end of rant. Next, we've got a highlighter pencil. This is Spotlight, and it is Ico Spotlight Highlighter Pencil Crayon. Didn't know these were still a thing. Raise your brows up a level with this arch brow highlighter in a gorgeous champagne gold shade. Formulated with jojoba oil and easy to blend for your brows. Wow, that is gold. That's not champagne at all. That is gold. I'm going to do a really big patch on my hand so you can see it. But that is gold. That's not champagne. That's close to even copper. It's very pretty. There's not a chance I'd be able to use that on my brow bones. That would look absolutely ridiculous on my skin tone. But as an eyeshadow, as an eyeliner, like inner corner eye highlight, that would be lovely. This is full size, worth £15. Oh yeah, and it says use for your inner corners as well. I'd use it there. I would not, if I used it up here, I'd just look ridiculous. But that is a very, if they're calling that champagne, that is a very, very coppery gold champagne. Or I'm just really fucking pale. You decide. Next, I've got Saint Luxe setting spray. Oh, lovely. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. Pretty packaging, cruelty free on the back, lovely stuff. This lightweight setting mist is perfect for giving you a glowy finish, even better. Not only is a spray formulated to allow you to achieve flawless makeup, it's also great for your skin too, with Persilane, I don't know what that does, I'll put it on the screen, and hyaluronic acid, which is like the queen of moisturising hydrationness. And it helps healing of damaged skin, lock in moisture and instantly hydrate too. £18 full size. That sounds amazing. Cute bottle. Have a little smelly smell. Oh, it smells really good. Yeah, I don't know what Persilane does. Probably said it wrong as well, but I'll put it on the screen if I find out. And then the last thing in the box is Josephine Cosmetics, another brand I don't think I've heard of. Cruelty free as well, fuck yeah. Glamorously healthy. It looks like, doesn't it look like Ilamasca packaging? Looks like Ilamasca. This is £21.80. This is a liquid matte lipstick. Luxurious and vibrant, this velvety matte liquid lip colour is its show-stopping pigments. In the stunning deep red shade, Tiffany, it's all you need to be bold. A blend of high-impact natural ingredients, olive oil, coconut and argan oils, as well as vitamin E. Sounds amazing. Let's have a look. Let's get it on my face. I haven't put lipstick on either. The one I wanted was my Fenty one, my berry one, and I can't find it anywhere, which is annoying. It's literally, it looks like, the outside packaging looks like Ilamasca, and that is a rip-off of Huda. If I'm not, tell me I'm wrong. That is a Huda rip-off, 100%. Or this may be first and Huda ripped it off. I don't know. But very, very looks like. Very, very similar. Wow. I am crap at makeup. Just to make you aware. Oh, I'm singing. I'm going to use a proper mirror rather than my camera because it never goes well. It's a nice applicator. It's like a vagine. It Feels nice. Oh, she's bold. It's a really nice applicator. Look. Even a feckin' moron like me can get that on in one go without making a smudge. I love it. It looks a lot more, in real life, it just looks kind of like pillar box red, but on the camera, it looks kind of orange, like there's quite a similar sort of hue to my nails. I really like the colour. So this is what I'm wearing on school when apparently, because she's going to set and then I'm not going to take it off because I can't be bothered. I think that may be my favourite box we've had in a long time. Everything is going to get used. Awesome. So far, lovely. I will wear this for the day. I'm going to edit this video tonight and I'll put on the screen here how long this lasts. Like if it lasts to eating or drinking, or if I've had to reapply, or if it flakes off, or if it is like, you know, some liquid lipsticks when you put them on and you're like and all the moisture's been sucked out your mouth. Love that. I think the only thing that is just the wrong colour for me would be that, but that's not, they can't have a different colour for every single person. But I feel like if you've got a deeper skin tone than me, this would look absolutely fucking banging on you. But on me, for what it's intended, a no. But yeah, I absolutely love that. Let me know what boxes you got, what your thoughts are, and tag me in any videos where anyone's got the opposite box, because I'd love to go and have a little look at that. I do have my 10,000 subscriber giveaway still running. I'm so close, so close. So I'll link that. Go and enter. It's 3 different things in one, 3 different prizes for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And then I've also, I'm going to mention it, I've just had my Glossybox PR advent calendar sent to me, which I'm going to unbox tonight, which I'm super excited about. But I also purchased one, and the purchase one I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys mid-November, so that it can arrive for you to have it in December to open. And I think it's worth like £400. I paid for it with my own money. I have my PR one, but my paid for one is one that I paid for with my own money. And that is coming too, but you will need to be a subscriber to my channel to be eligible to win that. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.